Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all Oats diet plan for weight loss part 2. Now I've already shared the part 1 of this and it was a huge success on my channel. So do not forget to check the description box to check that video out. Now this diet plan will definitely help you lose 7 kgs in 7 days without any fail. This is my personally tried and tested diet plan. So do not forget to follow this diet plan with complete determination. So without any delay, let's get started with the diet plan. Early morning, empty stomach, we'll have ajwain water, that is carom seeds water. Just simply boil 1 tablespoon of carom seeds in boiling water, let it simmer for 5 minutes and then turn off the flame and your ajwain water is ready to have. It is best for your bloating and will help you flush your toxins very well. 15 minutes after this drink, you will have 5 almonds soaked overnight. Now approximately after 1 hour of this drink, you can have either one fruit of your own choice, that is preferably apple, or you can also have 1 cup of green tea. Now it's as per your choice whatever you want to have. Now at 9 to 9:30 am, you will have your breakfast, for which I'll give you 2 options. The first is oats pancakes and the second is overnight oats. Now the recipe for overnight oats is already up on my channel. The link to it is in the description box below. Do not forget to check it out. It's a very easy to follow recipe that you can prepare at night and have it in the morning as quick as possible. Preparing oats pancake is very easy. All you need is half cup normal rolled oats, or you can also use gluten-free oats, 1 medium banana, 3.5 tablespoons of milk. You can use almond milk or you can also use normal skim milk, a pinch of cinnamon powder and honey. Now preparing it is very easy. All you have to do is combine all these mixtures in a blender and blend them all. Now with this particular mixture, prepare the oats pancake in a non-stick pan and serve them with honey. And the delicious oats banana pancakes for breakfast are ready to have. You can have 2 pancakes and this is so filling that you'll love having this breakfast recipe each and every day. You can also read the recipe in the description box below. Now it's time for your mid-morning snack, for which you will have 1 glass of lemon water. Now it's all your choice that you can either have chilled lemon water if you're following this diet plan in summer season, or you can also have warm lemon water if you're following this diet plan in the winter season. Prepare a full glass of warm water and you will love having this lemon water as it is so refreshing and also will help you lose weight fast very easily. And along with this, you can also have 1 fruit of your own choice if you like so, or you can also have 1 cucumber. Now it's time for our lunch, but as usual before our lunch, we'll have apple cider vinegar in lukewarm water, which will not only cut your belly fat and also reduce your food storage in the body to a very great extent. So it helps you flush your food very quickly. Now for the lunch, we'll have oats chilla. Now preparing this oats chilla is very easy as we prepare our normal besan chilla. All you need is oats flour, which is very easily available in the market, or you can also buy it online. The link will be in the description box below, or you can also prepare it at your home by just blending the normal oats and preparing it in a powder form. Some curd or dahi and chopped onions, tomatoes and capsicum. These 3 vegetables will be enough. And as usual, the seasonings are pink Himalayan salt, black pepper powder and some red chili powder as well. Mix all the ingredients in a mixing bowl and adjust the consistency with water. Now prepare the oats chilla on a non-stick pan and you can have approximately 2 to 3 oats chilla because they are so healthy and so filling. Along with that, you can also have raita of your own choice, either cucumber raita, fruit raita or any raita of your own choice. And along with that, you can also have some green chutney. This is a complete lunch meal which you will love having because it is so nutritious and so healthy. Now it's time for your mid-evening snack, for which I'll give you the option of either having a cup of hot coffee or hot tea, but do not add any kind of sugar to it. And as a snack along with this meal, you will have either roasted makhanas or roasted peanuts, but just a small handful of them and not much. Makhanas are rich in vitamin E and make your skin very healthy and glowy as well. Now it's time for your dinner. We'll do a star night, that is have our dinner at approximately 7 pm to 7:30 pm, for which we'll have cooked oats with fruits. Now we'll use the gluten-free oats as they are the best option for healthy diets. To buy the gluten-free oats, the link is in the description box below. Do not forget to check it out. Or you can also use the normal oats in it, which are very easily available in the market. Boil some water in a pan and add oats to it. Let it simmer and let the water soak, and when there is no water left in the pan, which basically means the oats are cooked, pour them in a bowl and add half a cup of milk to it. Now to this, you can add fruits of your own choice. I preferably love adding apple, kiwi or strawberries to it. You can add any choice of fruit and your delicious dinner is prepared. Do not add any kind of sweetener to it because the fruit is sweetener for this meal, and have this dinner and you will love having it because it is so filling and as well as tasty. Now if you feel hungry after this meal, at approximately before going to bed, you can have 1 cup of freshly brewed chamomile tea, which will act as a sleep promoter and also helps you relax your body and mind completely, and definitely boosts your metabolism to a very next level so that you can burn your fat entire night. So have a freshly brewed cup of chamomile tea. Now with this diet plan, do not forget to have at least 2 to 3 liters of water each and every day to flush out all the toxins from your body as quick as possible and keep you well hydrated all the day. This diet plan will definitely help you lose 7 kgs in 7 days approximately without any fail. So follow this diet plan with complete determination for best and guaranteed results. If you like my video, please hit the like button. Comment below if you have any query regarding any of my diet plans or any of my meals, and I'll revert back to you as soon as possible. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. I post and upload on my Instagram stories each and every day how my diet goes. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More, so you will be notified whenever I post or upload a video on YouTube, and I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay happy and stay fit always.